I did some swatches for the back and sleeves of the custom sweater. I kept it simple with jersey, and I did sort of two options. One is the black and the navy yarn sort of knitted together here through the same feeder. The front side didn't turn out so nice. It's a little bit jumpy and uneven. The back side turned out nice with this sort of melange effect. The second option I did was the yarns plated. The black is plated in front and the navy yarn's plated in the back, so it looks mostly black on the front and mostly navy on the back because the colors are separated by the plating. We did decide to go with the reverse side with the mixed yarns here. The marl effect just came out really nice. And I'm also trying some options of the client's initials in the sweater, like letters. On this swatch here, I did the letters M and G, and it turned out a little weird because of how the jersey works. When knitting vertical rows, like on the M, the knit stitches are sort of raised, but then horizontal rows here on the top and bottom of the G turned out more recessed into the fabric, so it creates a weird effect. It'd be nice if all the stitches were raised, but it didn't quite happen. The other option was to just embroider on top, like I did here in a contrasting color with a chain stitch by hand on top after I would knit the pieces. That was an easy way to go, and it's really consistent and it gives a nice raised effect. But the client really wanted the letters knitted into the fabric of the sweater. So the last two options I did were sort of relief type structures. This one here is like a 2-color relief jacquard, but only using one feeder, and I kept the colors knitted together. That turned out a little bit messy. You can kind of see the letters. The best one was the reverse jersey with jersey relief letters. They're very clean, so I think that we're going to go with this option here. We talked about placement being the upper center back and possibly adding more letters like NYC 2020 just above or below the initials. So as I get closer to knitting the back piece, we'll go over and reconfirm that that's what we're going to do. So please give this video a like and a comment below to let me know if you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe and hit the little bell notification icon to be alerted when new videos come out.